MLA nagaseng VPP naga North Shillong constituency Bah Adelbert nongrum hakalai tarik ulber arhajar arpusan Wanrah eka 0 hour notice hagdorbar mang tengka jong jela hakabaidai bat gejingrai ka mat chaprang tourism promotion group ban penlong ya gejingki akmat ka secretariat halor gejingmam trek ketnat MEECL ban penjelan show ya gejing IY ka jaka Haba jubab ya ke 0 hour notice Menteri Sarkar uba kami ketenat boarding u eti mondal. Ulong baha ka bedai bagajing ai lease ne ai wai ka jaka hapung yam sya ka kenhun. Kabadai ka beladap mane penbet da kajing yakran. Ulong ba ka dulan nong Lumpongdeng ka badan hapung yam ha ka jaka ka ba silak ndruk sawajar nyo spa kendai punyo point sau pras square meter. Lani sau po point nyo ar akar kadai ka long try da ka MEECL haka baka jaka ka bakot si akar la IY haka ni ka MTPG na kabentas posnam naduk ka nyo terik urempang si hajar kandai spa kandai pun nyo haduk handru terik urempang ar hajar nyo baka jing siyo ka bayway ka long sipo hajar tengka si snam bat kandan ka jing penkiyo ka basan na ka si spa amala ka snam Menteri Sarkar ulong bai kini kejaka mentala dan kam da ke Sarkar banle ki kam pendroi ki babon bala pentip shu chairman jong kini ke MTPG bahkan dan shu ke jing penjelan mat IY kini kejaka hadin bagajing IY ke lakut no akan lai puitrik no apra ar hajar ar pusau ule to bana kalyang chairman ke MTPG hakshiti ka bahaka kat santrik kula lengkot ar hajar ar pusan ula kerpa ke MEECL ban penjelan dengan kejing IPOR kenang ba anla ban jem kia kini kamat bat kibor ke beri kimi Kumtai kena kejing kerpat la pediang bat la penjelan hadok kakat santrik urempang ar hajar ar pusan. Man ailat banyak cekmat ban le akabadan kam kat kum ka clause ka bahnyo jong ka land lease agreement.
Tourism promotion activities. The island which earlier witnessed deforestation by timber lodging when four wheels trucks could cross a dry season. Today, we can clearly see ecological restoration with afforestation and even wildlife returning. In the tourism circuit, Mr. Speaker, sir, Lumpongdeng Lake Island is widely known as an idyllic retreat for young and old who go to visit. And it is particularly sought after as a wedding venue and honeymoon destination. Since 2008, Bah Might Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group has added a boat house, which is the first of its kind in Meghalaya and even in the Northeast. Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir, through the years since 1997, the tourism promotion activities at Lumpongdeng has brought revenue to the government and given employment to not just the family of caretaker who reside on the lake island, but to many others in the surrounding local economy as well. So after 27 years, a barren patch of land in the middle of Omnyam Lake, which government earlier did not bother to give much importance, today stands out as a beautiful and valuable tourist spot, thanks largely to the visionary and extraordinary effort of Michael CM. We should appreciate for his effort. In fact, Mr. Speaker, sir, the question I ask in this 0 hour is for the government to consider. On one hand, you are denying renewing lease of MECL land to a local tourism promotion group, which has brought much value to the state. And yet, on the other hand, you are offering similar MECL land around Omnyam Lake to big-time investor. Let the people judge.
The land in question is now needed by the government for the purpose of various developmental activities. Accordingly, the chairman of Matsyaprang Tourism Promotion Group, Shillong, was informed by letter dated 11 November 2024 that extension of land lease will no longer be extended after the lease period is expired, which has already expired on the 31st December 2024. The Matsyaprang Tourism Promotion Group, Shillong, was requested to vacate the land and remove all the structures and buildings erected thereon as per clause number 7 of the lease agreement, which stated that, I quote, if the land is at any time before the expiry of the period of this agreement required by the board corporation for its own use or for any purpose of the board, the lessee shall, after being served with 1 month's notice, vacate possession of the land and the building, and the board or its successor shall have the power to use the land. The lessee shall, however, have the right to remove all the buildings and structures erected by it on the land within a period of 1 month. Sir, as raised by honorable member, we have taken this matter very seriously. We have given the opportunity to the lessee also, and we had extended discussion with him. Our intention is not that we want to snatch away, but what we are doing as per the original agreement, as per clause 7 of the agreement. The matter has been discussed with the lessee, and I can tell the honorable member that the matter has now been resolved.